Hey everyone, it's Rigo with In and Out Plumbing. What you're seeing here is the inside of an old water heater we just replaced in Fife, Washington. When we drained it, all this rust and sediment came pouring out. Years of corrosion that the customer had no idea was sitting inside their tank. That same rusty water was running through their showers, sinks, and laundry every day. This is why flushing and servicing your water heater is so important, and why older units need to be inspected before they start leaking or burst. If your water heater is 8 to 10 years old, or you're noticing discolored water or low pressure, give us a call. We'll check it out and make sure your home has clean, safe water. In and Out Plumbing, to serve you better.